Red one is so sour.
Nah, red one ain't that bad.
Whoever goes into the toilet next, rate my shit, please.
Rate your shit?
Yeah.
Put it on ratemypoo.com.
Yeah, rate my poo.
It's green.
It's green.
I mean, I'm joking, it's green.
Nah.
Both toilets are shit and alright.
Wait. However sour you lot think that was not as fucking bad as that massive blue one.
I know the red one is bad.
Yeah, the red one
I just
is
had a
bad.
blue one right along. Red was pussy, that's when I first.
Hey Ben, do you know those little sweets you spring into drugs?
Sorry, Maria's phone's there. It's Ashley now. Maria's fucked off to bed, so I'm throwing shit at Sylvia. If Reed disappears, I'll wake her up and we'll come down. Sweet.
Is that
Why would
Ashley?
Reed be up longer than Morris is gone? Morris is more to fucking worry about.
Brr.
Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Stones will be coming to bed. To his bedroom and shit.
I actually filming you.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's obvious Morris knows what we do at night. Like,
Obvious, of course.
And that was a dirty sour, wasn't it? What does it taste like?
Oh, sour.
What, the red one?
Yeah.
Yes, Steph.
George, man, you ain't taken many pictures, have you?
No, I haven't. That's why I want to get a bit of footage.
Is that recording?
Yeah, for
Look at the burr.
I hate sour.
well, I mean,
Look what I found on my phone. What porn?
No.
Brian Badondi.
Giant cocks.
a picture of your schlong.
I've got to try and find
You
it.
need to zoom in for that.
Hang on, let me get the macro lens on.
Wait, shut up. Listen. Shut up. This is
was sick.
Yeah. We don't know the question.
Is there a chicken?
Crap's got a foul again. He didn't play.
What's that?
Can we intimidate? Can we
they're all animal noises. That's a wow.
That's that fucking goal down there. Giant.
What's that? Is there a chicken?
Nah.
Hey, it's picking up the face of the woman on the magazine. It's not an anteater.
How about bird?
Owl noise.
Do it again.
And make the floors well comfortable.
Yes, man.
I'll do that.
Well, yeah, do the whole thing.
I was like, actually, my
Tongue's
tongue.
too sour.
That's so good.
Oh, my tongue's fucked.
Wait, what are we doing then?
Fucking gotta get some girls down.
Yeah, Maria said she's waiting for it to fuck off and then
Oh, bullshit.
Oh, fine.
now she goes, I threatened to take Sylvia instead, I'll get
Hey,
right.
Ben, you know you took, we took...
Right.